There is no better way to impress your mates at a party or to show off to a new partner than making up some cocktails in front of them and enjoying that moment together. But how much of a pain is sourcing those ingredients, getting things like egg whites, fresh espresso coffee, or syrups, or juices, or other random ingredients, or even maintaining a huge bar of all these spirits that you need just to make a few cocktails? This process has been greatly simplified by our new brand name, VINKA. VINKA is essentially about making cocktails easy enough to take to every location. So in this sachet pack, they're small enough to fit in your pocket, and really these two sachets are all you need. You've got an alcoholic base, which is sold in several different sweetness levels here, and then you've got a mixer, which pairs up with a specific base. This mixer has all the flavor in here, things like, you substitute for egg white or coffee or other essential ingredients. We've tried to source all fresh natural ingredients to put in here, and we lock it in this sachet, so it's super easy. All you have to do is tear the corner out of these two packets, pour into your cocktail shaker or jug, depending on the cocktail type, give it a mix or give it a shake and pour it out, and you've got enough cocktail for you and a friend. In some instances, we've got some cocktails you top up with soda water, in which case they can be up to 4 cocktails. But enjoy them now on the website and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear from you. See you guys next time.